Today, we're diving into the world of plumbing and tackling those common issues that can turn your home into a waterlogged disaster. But don't worry, I've got your back with some simple and effective fixes.
Let's get started. First up, the annoying drip of a leaky faucet.
It's not just wasting water.
It's wasting your money.
Here's a quick fix. See, easy peasy. No more wasted water or money.
Next on our hit list, the dreaded clogged drain. Whether it's in the sink, shower, or tub, a clogged drain can bring your day to a screeching halt.
A plunger and a mix of baking soda and vinegar can work wonders. Say goodbye to that standing water. Now, let's address the running toilet issue.
It's not just irritating, it's wasting water like there's no tomorrow. By adjusting the float and flapper, you can put a stop to that constant running.
Your water bill will thank you.
And there you have it.
3 common plumbing issues, and you've got the skills to tackle them head on.
Remember, with a bit of know-how and the right tools, you can save yourself some serious money and avoid the headache of plumbing problems.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.
Until next time, happy fixing!